Alright, today I wanted to go over this little QRP amplifier I built for my Hermes Lite. Advertised as 100 watts. You come close on sideband, but on AM you can key around 50 watts or so pretty much on every band. So I'll show you what it does, and then I'll pop the covers and show you what's going on inside. Alright, so we have a filter board in here, and this knob here controls which filter you're running. So and then it flips back around. In here we've got a power and an SWR meter. SWR meter works fine. Power meter's been giving me a little bit of trouble. Still working through that. I got a couple quirks left to work out with this thing. So this is your band control for the filter. This switch is for your power settings, whether it's 10 or 100 watts. This is for your calibration for the SWR meter or forward, and this is your calibration knob for the SWR meter. So let me get this thing disconnected. I'll show you what we got going on inside. Alright, so this is just a case I picked up on Amazon. It used to be this atrocious blue color. I had to paint it. The outside kind of wore off a little bit, but that's just cosmetic. I'm not too worried about that. On the back here, we've got an RCA plug for the PTT line coming off the Hermes. Your input to the amp, your output from the amp, and then your 12 volt feed. So let me pop the cover and I'll show you what now inside you can still see the atrocious color that this thing was prior to painting it, but again, just cosmetic. So let me show you what we got. Right here is the MPA 100 amp. I got this on eBay. It's got a single Motorola MRF 9020 transistor in it, which I can't get it to focus on right now. And then over here we have our filtering. Now what we've got here is an Arduino Nano, and that's what runs the display screen we've got for the band readout. This is just a little buck converter to drop down the voltage to run the Arduino off of 5 volts. And then here we've got the relay that's powering everything. So you press the power button, relay kicks on, powers up this whole thing. And on sideband you'll see between 75 to 100 if it likes to tune on the antenna. But having a little bit of RF trouble with it, where I'm getting RF into the Arduino and that jams up when you transmit. So I got to work on that. Probably add some shielding to this around the amp or around the filter board. But as of now, this is what we got, and hey, it's doing its job. So we're getting there. Let me know what you think.